All right. So this car, which is a 1965 Mustang, had been sitting in this garage. I mean, not this garage. This driveway for like 10 or 15 years. So I did a little work. I did a little work on it over there, and then I eventually had it towed to a garage because it's like way better to work in a garage than a crowded driveway. Anyway, so the car was in decent condition. We got the engine running despite the carb catching on fire at some point. That was kind of cool.
Well, we started.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, that's helpful.
So the engine was swapped out at some point. So there's a 302 in there now. So that was like 25 years ago. I don't know about the transmission. I checked. It's a C4, which is an automatic 3-speed. So I don't know if that's the original. I'll have to find out. That'd be really cool if it was. Let's see what else. Oh, the drum brakes. There's drum brakes on all fours, so I'm definitely going to get discs in the front. But it's going to be a while from now because I'm still early in the process, just taking things apart, addressing the rust, repainting certain areas. Hopefully I'll post videos of work actually getting done. When I work on the car, I usually do take footage. I'm just like way too fucking lazy to actually go back and edit the videos. So anyway, hopefully I'll start doing that. And yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say. So thanks for watching, and I don't know, like, what do people say at the end of YouTube videos, bro? Like,